we played a game called Code Monkey Island, and we had to pick up cards and move across it, and it was frustrating because you kept on getting sent out of the place you were supposed to go to.
We made computers and we played with them after, and we played Snake and Minecraft and Scratch.
Well, my favourite part was building my computer because it was fun and us playing on the computer. And the monkey game.
Mine was the monkey game as well because it was really fun. And we did teams and we played against 2 boys.
And we won.
Okay.
Fun.
Brilliant. Really good. I know it's too much.
Well, I've learned first of all that the children can build their own computers in a very short space of time, and that the coding comes in lots of shapes and sizes. So the children have really enjoyed today, and I think that they've learned just as much as I have, and I think that also the main thing that a board game can teach you the concepts of code. The children are completely engaged. They're having an absolute ball in there. They have loved every second. I couldn't wait to get in from the playground as well to continue the session. They're engaged, they're motivated, they're working together, they're problem solving, and they're having good fun. Well, I'd love to take this a step further, maybe purchase some of the materials that we've used today, or maybe borrow some of the materials to use with the rest of the children, get those children maybe to act as little leaders and share the resources. And I think just going back and making sure that coding's embedded into our curriculum. Today has been noisy, creative, fun and full of learning.